Guys, I have a 2009 Toyota Sequoia. The problem of this car is no crank. When I crank, there's no crank. So maybe the starter or the connection or the relay. Switch off and check the starter and the relay. So just remove this box cover and check the relay, starter relay. So this is the starter relay, and maybe this is just remove. So I check this relay. This relay is good. There's no problem of the relay. So let's check the starter. Maybe this is the from the starter. So let's check that. Just put a small wire. And check the positive. So the starter is good. Let's check the supply. So this is good, the positive. And this is the ground. So maybe this is the problem. Let's check this is a problem. So let's put it back the relay. So guys, I have a diagram here. That's ignition. This is come from the switch, and this color green is to the relay. So this color green is there's a connector here. This connector may be the problem. It's a color brown. So let's check this connector. I open the connector is under the driver side. So maybe this is color white. So what I found here, there's a lost connection. This is this socket is a lost connection. So just put it. This socket is a lost connection under the passenger driver side. This is the lost connection socket. So let's try to start the car. That's it, good. The car is starting now. So the problem here is the connection. This connection here. Sa color white. So that's it guys.